Tiamu akwaba. Mama watena se. Ende ukuda osinkar wo January. Yes. 7th January. Na Yehuda yanka enshe nyame yiminyam. Meba kanda aseda onkenizin. Usande ne humobor otim hoda. Nyame ni yemiye. Yes, nyame ni yemiye. Nti wofan oyemiye fu nyame. Na yinya na nyame nti na wofan nyame. Yankopon a yatwe na yampa ne denti na wofa ne Yankopon. Ebusia anepe mamepede mo twa dwinje dan de ukuda sisedam afase kwan ukuda sisedam na omman Ghana yakoto aba ma oda omman pedrin masam to go 7th January Constitution Day. Mempe fa shisha to wine. Mbrehye bo gonfa abaja atum. Constitutional Day. Na ende den omman pe John Dramani Mahama for you kweja ya ne de. Ye di Constitutional Day nda obey holiday. Ochina yebokwa eduma kire yala ansa ne fida de bi yatwe holiday na fi inda yew day is that case Friday nti akire beduma 9 Friday holiday Saturday Sunday faka ho na se Monday ye beduma na ye bane ya moto office wa na e wasem ya no usane brenye holiday supi no bem yetini na ye wi nti biti hen last holiday. Etino ebusia ma anepei mo bonka na medwe jiradan de nyame ayebia mahen na waye ni nyina so obeye da aka nyina so da man na momo hian de yebotu anomar ntadepei asedan onka oye taseba adi nyame ne den na fa aseda ne bi so ma hona edwumaku a ne pa bia waja tum ne center focus buso hinase nti yemfa aseda ne bi yemfa ma oye king of the universe the king kon wa bede materials yemfa aseda ne bi so yemfa ma oye the sell gift shop yemfa aseda ne bi so yemfa ma oye NPA National Petroleum Authority also use gas edwumaku wu na adawurma na honso we hwe hinase ente da order yes and so there in the week the first Wednesday ochina second Wednesday so na bosom na dane no ochire ye 8 ente na 70 ebusia center focus ye obi mo 1st January no man pay John Dramani Mahama odinu masem do tugwa na omeya tas de yenyi NDC Ghana yenyi NPP Ghana yenyi political party bia na Ghana one only Ghana we have ni umbienu yeda ni umbienu ye na Ghana broyi bia anka ho Burkina Faso yi bia anka ho Guinea yi bia anka ho South Africa yi bia anka ho Nigeria yi bia anka ho no so owode de onukrum that's all ayensu yen Ghana yi iti yakọ yaba ya shafe fofra se be na ade no ne ye na edi pagya afefofri ya yesimi man zama kwado zama hina ebena no de yeye ebena de no de yeye nti o man penjon de mani mahama a che him de o de yeye yete bobo ma Ghana etumpon yes wa ke bia chain wa chain kwantempon ko no de fado o sande Ghana ne cheche no onye impo ba akofo yes ono your man pay ya to abaman o mejo man neyim on into way ministers way chief executives way board of directors way you woni nyina dem ro be ya sempo ono be order ko nya kwana bi no bokwa akohwe way ya way you woni obutu no fo council of elders way you woni no chadamo kwafo no obutu no fo na wa che ne da man pay na bebi aluku oye man pay bebi aluku oye man pay dem kwafo ade nyanya ma won da mo kwafo men kase won ho da mo kwafo na wo ba kire council of elders na obutu no fo nti so nya wie dam dwumedi na mo ye wie a wa ka mi no nya wo hia fam da o de yeye da ye police da ye soja da ye nurse da ye doctor medical doctor yes da ye carpenter ye mason ye stibena ana ye fanya mo nkere wo ye artisan we are broadcaster, we are journalists. When you may do bia ye bi organ bia, kwana fada aba ye boboa magana butumponen. Ode ye. O man pen John Dramani Muhammad nsami ye bi du tugwa. Ebusua, me yen hwe man pen nsama waka. Da hye nkwe wa film do de mihu bienu nya ye. Yen hwamra.
As we stand at the threshold of a new year, I come before you with a heart full of gratitude and renewed determination. Tonight, as families gather across our beloved nation, from the shores of Keita to the savannah plains of Bolgatanga, from the forests of the western region to the vibrant streets of Kumasi and Accra, I extend my warmest wishes to every Ghanaian, wherever you may be. A happy new year to all my fellow citizens. Exactly 6 days from now, we shall mark the first anniversary of the sacred oath I took before God and country. It was a solemn commitment to reset Ghana and build together the nation we all deserve. I can confirm that the promise of renewal we made was not mere rhetoric. It was a covenant, and we have begun to deliver on that covenant. 1 year ago, we inherited a nation in distress, an economy on its knees, unemployment crushing our youth, infrastructure crumbling, public trust eroded, and hope dimming in the eyes of our people. We're told that the recovery would take a generation, but I knew something our critics did not know. I knew the resilient spirit of the Ghanaian people. At the dawn of the new year, I stand before you to say, our beloved nation Ghana is rising again. We've accomplished a lot together in the past 12 months through prudent management and difficult but necessary reforms. We've reduced inflation from the distressing levels above 23% by the end of 2024 and are hopeful to end 2025 with inflation at single digits of just above 5%. We have achieved relative currency stability and on track to be ranked among the best performing currencies in the world for 2025. We're accelerating economic growth and creating more opportunities for our young people. We've restored business confidence and have seen a significant increase in both domestic and foreign direct investment. We've restored Ghana's credibility with our international partners, successfully completed the renegotiation of our debt obligations on terms that protect our sovereignty while at the same time ensuring sustainability. We're beginning the process of exiting the IMF program with dignity, not as supplicants, but as partners. Our young people are Ghana's greatest assets. We're beginning to see significant growth in sectoral performance. Construction, manufacturing, agriculture, and services are showing very strong growth. This is creating a new opportunity for decent employment for our youth. Infrastructure is the backbone of development. We have begun the rehabilitation of over 2,000 kilometers of roads nationwide. We've restored a consistent supply of electricity and are expanding the rural electrification network to more than 1,000 additional communities. My countrymen and women, Ghana's image on the international stage has been positively boosted by our well-acclaimed reset agenda. This reset involves a new way of looking at things both domestically and globally. Domestically, our reset agenda is seeing a resurgence of faith in our democracy. It is delivering a leaner and more efficient administration. It is yielding greater accountability in government and a re-energized fight against corruption. At the 80th session of the United Nations General Assembly, I took the advantage of the global platform to share Ghana's vision with the world. The Accra Reset Initiative is a comprehensive framework for the sustainable transformation of our global governance system. This vision will address the inequalities in the current global system and reset it to create greater opportunities for Africa and other countries of the global south. Ghana's call for a global reset will address interconnected challenges of our time, and I'm committed to leading it alongside other world leaders. This is our moment. This is Ghana's moment to lead. To our fellow Africans across this great continent, Ghana's story is a part of Africa's renaissance. The challenges we face are not unique to us. They are the common inheritance of our shared history and the collective responsibility of our shared future. We in Ghana have proved in 2025 that democracy works, that peaceful transitions of power strengthen us rather than weaken us, and that African solutions to African problems are not just slogans but achievable realities. As Ghana rises, we extend our hands to our neighbors and our partners across Africa. Together, we can and shall build the Africa we want. Together, we can prove to the world what is possible when developing nations are given the space and support to chart their own course. We invite the world to invest in Ghana's transformation, not out of benevolence, but out of the enlightened self-interest in a more stable, prosperous, and sustainable world. My dear compatriots, as satisfying as our achievements of 2025 are, they are but the foundation. The architecture of the Ghana we want must now be built on this foundation. In 2026, we shall accelerate and expand. Every child deserves a world-class education. We'll continue digitalizing our schools and ensure every classroom has the tools for 21st century learning. We shall operationalize universal health coverage through the free primary health care program, ensuring that no Ghanaian is denied care due to inability to pay. Through the Ghana Medical Trust Fund, we'll stretch a hand of support to our people suffering from non-communicable diseases. We shall make Ghana food self-sufficient and transform agriculture from subsistence to a thriving commercial activity through mechanization, value addition, and market access. We're working to achieve 30% share of renewable energy in our national energy mix, reducing costs and protecting our environment. We shall deliver social housing through public-private partnerships, and we shall intensify the fight against corruption with no sacred cows. Every CD belongs to the people of Ghana and must be accounted for. We'll implement the recommendations of the Constitutional Review Committee to make our 1992 Constitution an even greater guide for the consolidation of our democracy. Ladies and gentlemen, governments do not build nations alone. They do that with the cooperation of the citizenry. As we enter 2026, I call upon each one of you. First, our young people. You're not the leaders of tomorrow. You are the leaders of today. Take ownership of this reset agenda. Innovate, create, and build. Ghana needs your energy and your ideas and your commitment. To our entrepreneurs and business leaders, invest in Ghana, build your businesses that create jobs and wealth for yourselves and for the Ghanaian economy. I pledge to maintain a conducive environment for your businesses to thrive. Your commitment must be to seize the opportunities that we create. To our civil society and media partners and watchdog institutions, continue to hold us accountable. A vibrant democracy needs your critical voice. We might not always agree, but we shall always respect the role you play in strengthening our nation. To our traditional leaders and faith-based communities, you are the custodians of our values and the anchors of our community. Help us build social cohesion and national unity, and help us nurture the moral fabric that holds our society together. To the public servants, yours is a noble calling. Serve with integrity and efficiency and dedication. The people's trust in government depends on your daily conduct. And to our diaspora community, you are Ghana's global ambassadors. Continue to make us proud wherever you are. When you can bring your skills back home, your resources and network, please do so. Ghana needs you. We are one people with a shared destiny. Whether you voted for me or not, whether you supported the NDC or not, we are all Ghanaians. And this reset is for all of us. There's no NPP Ghana, there's no CPP Ghana or NDC Ghana. There's only one Ghana. That Ghana our forebears fought for and shed their blood to give us our freedom. Let us reject the politics of division and embrace the patriotism of nation building. Let us disagree without being disagreeable. Let us compete in the marketplace of ideas without treating our opponents as our enemies. The challenges that we face are too urgent, and the opportunities before us are too precious for us to waste our time and energy in needless conflict. I see a Ghana where every child, regardless of their background, can dream and achieve those dreams. I see a Ghana where hard work is rewarded. A Ghana where merit triumphs over mediocrity. A Ghana where integrity is celebrated and where corruption is punished. I see a Ghana where our young people don't have to risk their lives crossing the Sahara or the Mediterranean in search of opportunities, because those opportunities would abound right here at home. I can see a Ghana where our senior citizens live in dignity, and where our sick are cared for, and where our vulnerable are protected. I see a Ghana that is respected on the global stage for the quality of our democracy, the vibrancy of our economy, and the character of our people. I see a Ghana that is a light unto Africa and a beacon unto the world. This is not wishful thinking. This is the Ghana we're building together. This is the Ghana that is within our reach. As we enter 2026, let us move forward together with confidence, determination, and faith. Faith in God, faith in Ghana, and faith in ourselves. Let us build on the foundation we have laid, and let us work harder, let us dream bigger, and achieve even greater things. Let us prove that the promise that inspired our founding fathers and mothers, and the promise that has sustained us through trials and challenges, is not just a promise, but a prophecy that is waiting to be fulfilled. May God bless you all. May God bless our homeland Ghana and make her great and strong. Happy New Year, and may 2026 bring us all the prosperity, peace, and progress that we deserve as a nation. I thank you, my countrymen and women.
Enti the men semi na omampen John Dramani Mahama odo tuye nyima ebusia iyi the men some oti demi on chan Bible quotations akan fiti January to December ana ma sofon what is say nkom what 31st ana preaching ahwo ye the men semi for to hindna wala esha oyemo Ghana na ye cheche no ono ye omanpe no die yim no osi reset agenda another reset Ghana no yen hyehyɛ no fofor assembly ka wa me dapa osi de man yenye argue won dzema bia no hu hia ho by young guys, young men and women, 10 years, young men and women, you take advantage of reset agenda. No, you move forward with determination. You see, in the maybe or there, in American. Na dey na eka no kwame yan wo dey nya so nsema bi do yes nya so nsema bi wa yeti 2026 e dey nsema ba yan so do yo bo begu 2026 nsema bi wa dey ba yan so do kwa yo bo begu o sa no fa so fa mra he office ka mugu he kotokum na ntawe be no hu hia ni ya tadu yi zechi dabenda we twam kwa wa basem ko onkai na brabo ho ombo he na njenuanom ansema o man pen jonja mani mahama dani okan woni wiye message ni mu no me pere he nyina ye tefom ni yiti hu nkomo ye ane pe mi bebi awo telephone me gbe ahomotofo me gbe ato ahomotofo ato frani yiti nkomo nsebo man pe wa ka frani yiti nkomo ana ye agenda Ghana na yetimi no sabi bi no bi fi bebi wa be ya mahina hey yeti ye na agenda Ghana na ye wo no ibi no baba ba ye ya mahina yetiti ewe adwuma ye musum we adwuma ye nua no so we adwuma ye awase obia wase do ye magana no tumpon nti wase do ye na ye na obende mechima na be ye branding game ina waye ye de ye koyenyim wa from there no ne that wọ́n wọ́n tọ́ ọ́ yẹn pan yẹ ẹ̀yẹ na ẹ̀jẹ̀ na ẹ̀kẹ́kẹ́ bi ne di wọ́n wọ́n afọ̀mù dá ọ́ dẹ́ yẹ magana ni tumpo na ẹ̀yẹ na ẹ̀jẹ̀ ma tó ọ̀jẹ̀ mẹ́guọ́ na ẹ̀kẹ́kẹ́ bi ne di ayà na ẹ̀yẹ fi dẹ́ báàbù nínú paaki àkyẹ́ ní yẹn ti nkẹ́ yẹn nyi tọ́ ọ́ dẹ́ yẹn ní yọ do ansana yẹ kí bi ne di. Ya hu mention nketesi a ya ba ye mpedwuma ye na so ye pere de bia sika no bugu nkotokum edwuma ne ye pere ye na so ye pere de bia sika obugu nkotokum ye na ekuyanyim as a country ye na ekuyanyim na yeme ya do medwuma no po wa fe mpo ye pia na ye ba ye pia ya mba ye adwuma no kosasa enda savet KOFI se ko he wa ba he cleaner order ba papa office wo na nkofo wa ba obetem wo ye adwuma no cleaner asat now cleaner nko adwuma asatna wan kwa adwuma driver enyimpefe de ode akona kafa wo boss fifie na dire bedwuma at 7:30 man ehegwaya as a driver You get a blaming game. Na eifo a politicians would the isika was your man. Ya from do de ye. Yet it's gonna harm Yamina Dumala, one manage Messi Seri, economy now conform what Chinaman Dama or the now come water to number of Kaka cry. Hey, I would an element to cry. If are no ended them, na banning yo. Number one, so then I was would Nella Lento than one and or any uncle. Emshafu and the pay a few baby. But the pyramid you kajina or ye commanded ne guafe means K. Brenipma Metre dualization road now warrior fiti Cape Coast Joko Western region. You prefer the more quantum pona where you know West Africa fiti Ghana or the Madu Cote d'Ivoire into wine is Saudi face by face. Until last year 2025 a man paid John Money Mama or Carter sword was a kedita gradi that 1 year. No problem. Na bishafu Yeribisa Ghana Highway Authority and onye KEA Municipal Assembly Yeribisa won there and na ebere shisai na wonye wana ekwana wurutwan waka wona dan waka wona japade waka wona kwade waka wona store ebere shisai na wonye wona ye osana adisha wo breye madana na chere kokra Wanted them wulusu, ma. Apart from one of our stores, what can't when you problem? The son, I don't know what you to me there. What's a crown? And so band there, a crown will be ma or the wood to one. Fine. Never mind what you want to walk. And when I watch a crown when I want to walk, municipal assembly or Jukunisika revenue. Judgment tax. Afibia. When she could be 100 Ghana in a year, and poor his car. Why the tax? The quan won't. It is a wild banner there. Maybe you're said a Marabanu Butu, when I ever say no 1 year. You shall say, Miss Eber, she said on 1 year. Na damenjame na no wankodo na imparatiwa o hye ki osim o hye no maka ho wie demolish remove I mean akoma ntoyem na Costa Television ya ba no mar ya ko oye brema okay yenye adisha wo abonkoba bi se hon abena dinti no wondi demen abena dinti no worusu osan na kwa na worutwan wo ye odabo he yina ye nema obia no watwan jaba dinti no wondi dema wo man hu da orokodo Ebusia mayen ko brema na enkohwe nsama orokodo ho ya enkohwe bi
na menu anu nso bebre wo store wo yen chan wa ha be ye su ka na da pre bi na ni ya ni de wo se ko no wa do wa be na enya na ye wo ko no ni ye ne aban ye ne ni challenge bi ala ye ni se bi ala sin da ye baka do wo ma ni de tumeza ye nga ye sra aban ye se de ye se ye sra aban ni de ye ko ko ba da ko bi ala ko bi ala na ho ye fe wo se ya za nsa ni ko no wa yi na so ye nda no mo wo ni wo twa nsa na wa ma me de no akọ na ye ti ba ayi he yo kese ma ye wo ha yo su ne de ye boko kana la na kai ye kale na mpo yo isida na ye kusida joda bia ntutu ne ma obi ama na store do obi am fadam mini nso de ye wo hesu ayi hwe kwara afi biala ye tresika e wo kai ye ya ji permit ye ye juma na wo tresika ye zema aba no na se wo ya zema boa e nyala e se woni ne trans o wo so sikere ende mita ye use ye oye repeat ne tuma na fita sara na mkada mala tuma na mama na msa ko se ko pay oye electricity na elo ko wo pa mo so baba na wo ba faka na wa ba nsa na wa ba na wo tutu nsa na tu na etu wo be tena e fo wa fo ko tena suru to wa ko tentu e bi atu ko tas sentene de ne nim da dam na obesi e ti o ma obandama ne ye wo help pray e na me no ka se ye ma me bi wo ma Canada no mami no de hospital enne yala be waiting fe edu watching na wa ba ma Canada no ho so bedru wo so ndru ho be won nan ka hwe wa ba ma Canada no ho o firi be bia lo botu ala pe no to pe la si sente na brabo ne wi ya ne ne waiting fe be 80 years a da ma asene ato no o ya so o yes ti e be sira aban ne de ma wo ri tjuma no ye tutu na ase ye sira aban de atwe na aban ye de enkima so de hin ha ye mpai bo ne de metenum kodo na onya kama woni infante Ghana so ye fewa se na ye kwa Abidjan ye kwa Nigeria ko Ghana so ye ma ye fewa ye pe be de be sira ban de
obe ya wose mamado ko ode ubi sem obi wo ho a otua sika obi wo ho a oye dwumeza no so no ana oti ode boa ode hwa nema e wo school ampa abanazia na so yin ha ye aban ya ye boy edwuma ni ho ti ya na hin so ye kakaka ena me no ka se obi ahwa ase sentina ni gwetira na ha no wo
nti na ta wo pre atisan ye kura no compensation
kakra bia ye jama ya na ye zama ma ye container do na ye support ti sense be hwe ehuma ha ye ho ma ye papa ya e hwe den kesa o si wodem na wo bubu aba ma ka wo ma ka hwe ntren a hwe ki hwe bi una kuma obotwa hwe sense wo ma ka so be bubu ne chino na ye beti na wo de mic nam room anade ke ye funam kom no ka ganyo bia yin ni ma wo dan wo ma ka ho o ya ban dia o ya ban lan ya ban azino de ho ye ntumi yamfa wampo ye sere wonde nke wo mark baby a azene bapem na anye hwekwa no obi obapem ha na masama ko kayie na maka department na maba na maba ya ade bedo ne woni enti ne dem ehwe information center bia yi ne de waka mankoten na meze nye de bia beji mutum na mezere ye oye mensa de mensem na mesere abane de abane hu ya mobile emimizi wo ba ha na wo bekasa mejiala na wo begina do na wo za akasa mankofo ate da woriye iyintil mesere abane de se na huma wi fidman wo ba wo hu mobile onye de bia kwam bi nti no mamre ye se na obema wo aboa ama adwuma na wuri no ezimu anka ye bibia na obahwa na wo bubi na de betia ka cho de wadi mado a oye firi na obakasa mo twum na wa mazen do daiden wo za kwetwi nti ye besere abane de mazi osi he men challenge aban meni twum biala da abane ye kro ye ya maka cha abane abane men ye da bi but man pai bona de na masere de de abane hu mobile na umma meni woni ye adwuma ojude ye bobubu na akwangya da horo bobubu na ye twum na wa mankofa ate da olokodo no
kwabo akwabo de mahinwa
Yanwa.
bocha wo fraud
Wo fo Marcus.
ye bi se ehihye ben na wo ye ya wo tutu ada ne nkofu bu
Wonum ye nhihye bia. Na nhihye no wonum ye ntu ama musumu ntum nko. Nti me tutu so no me ko bebi. Bebi a me ko anu so abo ka na me kure.
be bi se ana agenje biara ha wo no utie bibi de masemi na na utie bibi ma keyi
inyo ai wa ba di tax
wato nti afini tie ba ya hen
afinu mutu eh 1 million
100 Ghana cedis a year nti afini wo eti a wo receipt wo utie mo receipt the receipt no onya asisiara but you ba be the receipt no eti what is saying that
what is saying one more na mfa nkaya fofo no
one more with that one
more was the same na baby am kwan sisi mututu kura no musika amaje fanya magugum no sisi no da ato kura de nti wa me sisi madam na nti sisi mo bom guda mo bom fa de bi mba ya madum na mfa fofo no bi na mfungum nti sisi nye ni ya na ma hyehyɛ no ha ma hyehyɛ kakra ebi su wo fie ebi su wo dan na mama
what my hinwa
I know.
aponu ye
Yeah, me not know.
na me bi sew yemu da wa mark wa da no a wo ko gbe no wa be card ko na be hyehyɛ no we na ye
Oni ani nhye bia o. Stores na wasi wa modern na wo ba buduru ha de. Nti ehwe da bia wo ba na wa baka bibia a kyerɛ na ye wo eda no mu.
nti so wan ka bi ja nkyɛw na wa no de ketepre bi su wo di wa ebe na de na be ebe na asɛm na baka
Ati da mu boss no wo asɛm bia wo bako.
papa mo akwa ba ofro den
Perform na kwa meje.
na kwa meje
From Omina.
Mina iti na kwa me wa mark na wo bo gbe ebe hyehyɛ no wa ye
One year yan shishe bia oya unexpected. So I'm right now youth now we are starting life people that build the life. We are stranded.
wow
And nobody has talk nothing to us.
wow
You can oya no kwa. Bia lan kahwe. Bo me ati da wasa wona e bia wono owo aban land ni lane mu no compensating. Abandam so am landlord for me no bia raising the prices.
Hey.
And the government didn't speak out man because I'm a youth in a ban here building the stranded. I stranded. Right now they call you now nobody then well angsa na hu marry. Yeah, obi aso nka bibia there from here and we are moving you people to this place and I am on a couple of period because I don't pen on easy. Hma yenya bi no so baby bi mpo me notification number answer. We tun wa mo be no. No one here landlord for no so nka na say bia kakra mpo obutu wo de hwe na so fun hwe na asen. Na ntumi nyi baby na efie because by na start life na no mo see wama ya stranded road in the peda wo 1 year man obo reduce accidental ratio no
yeah
about one junior citizens na yan kakra because we are the country
let us eja mo akwa ba with my hinwa aponu ye yeah I see you if you start television na ye hu da wo fie kasi kaka kan otiri mu oboye me abane de red mark amaka mo da wo gbogbo na wa ye car condouble road ajenje bia ya ba hyehyɛ na won wae
dala ka fe nche ibel mu ndale mbo
wow
ese mo ana mo ko outside mo ko wa mark outside mo no mark no wan ka je mo fe won so wa mark ko o mo kan sa se bia nche be na go ka be de o se de wo twa mal mi se se de dem ka mi se no we some permission why president that over 30 years and about black person bogu was ECOWAS me say ECOWAS so Ghana government no use highways so I don't know it's some more can they be contacting you know sure they shall sound over there until that is happening move out
it's the minister adinge biara eta asase no o plan na side plan na no no ya do work out him na
there's nothing like that at all miss one ke ye won yetwa idale mi some be da ma bi so me ya ku bi so ga ya na ka da me time na won ye permit na je na erisi na ko re say be a work kada work ko wa be stop work I saw nothing like that it makes me them maybe that no so was it but the improvement in I have no clue about it but I give him market idea them then I can not say but I'm also them so I don't move but then we're not some
what time was there for there UK oh very nice it's not today I wanna juma
but oh 60 years.
60 years. Wonderful. No, okay, what you can kaka. If you are
77.
77 years. Wow. Wow. It's daddy. What bendeni say El Hia and now Wumba Achana Wombay. I didn't get no one will tell you we now.
Or commit suicide.
About commit suicide.
I'm telling you, because as my requirement,
how possible? How would I commit suicide?
When am I going to build another house like this? What am I going to live? See, I'm now, me, baby, come before. But we said, now I can. What can you now? Jimmy, baby, more for. So I'm going to say, some you want more. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm not more. The heart may your heart, yeah, Korean. Remember, I hear from what is. Let me give the government. The Obutum there. When you hang out, negotiate beyond negotiation beyond back over with them. I don't think it's going to happen.
Okay. It's no, say what band there when you are yes, she say, oh, when you are better telephone. Obeying a pretty you your cow. Now you would then no say.
That's fine. It's national development, huh? I have no clue. No problem at all with that. But at least when my quarters are cramped there, oh, would they yet today, what one year plan if you will be, nobody has done anything. And I mean him, one penny pair, which year or a year, if it was ECOWAS, if it was highways, it was Ghana government or 1 or 2 years, I won't come to the manner. But nobody has comforted me about anything at all.
It's a papa, Yepisa, Womba, Umusha, Fubu, Fia, another one's ha, and only now, which are. We are on the day, if you are to the Nova, no abortion. Now, Ulija, one would say, I could have better Shama Samaka.
If you are her position is my wife on people. Okay, my banner. And the members are 400, dying babies. It's every Yamoka. I say, behind you are, demolition of Rambo.
So I can what am I can the moon? What was your son now? No gas of a coffee.
Me, company for a corner. And say, I have no clue. I have no clue. Me, my daughter, me. It's a material more careless for contact, man. Nobody has come.
Say, what happened to you? Pigeons, yeah.
I didn't like in a car.
It's do not cut some more be I look on the as a proper the most you say, I did too.
Yes, is that a table between us by some stove, yeah, and then you get that. That's it. You are back on my work. I am there. I'm back my cool, but then almost. Yeah, come on now. Now, what come on? It's your road by the income tax. That is a little bit madam. One man is shooting from no put hours your mother without one command, no compensation. The entire into what is said in there. Madison was so many baby. And then for at least maybe a month, baby of my say by a stony boa. It's in a year, baby. You're going to take a few. You're going to be that's your news. Yeah, that's it. It's a brave man. Oh, yeah, duration. I can't well be a Vietnam, it's a cat was a matter. Oh, no, and I hear you to brave man. And I am to bring me a summon or a different Sunday. It's a car, young cat, by 100 meters. Meanwhile, you are well set yours. Now, what will be done? And no matter what I want to done, and no matter what I want to kiosk. Once a man you're there. Why you wouldn't tell them? Not come what's one and what's announcement? Announcement. Who to will the table with you. Now, the Nebella did the separate effect. Maybe I want to assume you know what you want tax. As someone who does come to Kaka. Tell you, Grandma, should I? As someone who have a telephone, no one can be Kaka that one. And also, for one will be Kaka. That one yet, no friend to do. Oh, no, no, Costa Television. What's one away, my 101 down. If I'm going to get nay, and you're paying far. What's the juma metre NC eno onye Ghana Highway Authority na mpanyimfo biara o twere ho bonkomon ye bokwere ho abonkomon e bi sede anna sebe tefa enwanumi we utu kumo beye ana onyeye Costa Television wala wonyima wala wonda aba from kitikeku ASORBA KOFI ESSUMAN
ebusia no kwanen adesha wo branyima hunu sunyin na dama ye kanu Ghana Highway Authority mpanyimfo yadano won yes yadano won commanded na egwa febrem district ana municipal assembly yes municipal assembly yadano won pa osande yimpo hodum yimpo no ye na akam ya wo hina yin aso akam yimpo no ogbai nti yesra ho kwani biara wo fada wonye nwanom a wo kwan ho wonye obakasa mo wona akoma to wo yam no ebusia yesra ho ma wo madam hyehyɛ no onye adwuma osane mo ye nyina ho efe ahia no wo ya amahin kar konya wo ye ahia na sobo bende ahia no wo ye mahin ara so ebe wutite hinado na wutede won papa won mahin kwese na onye ye mamu obe na wutwa na egwa ka no wona bofu na wafa kwan no do asabi sayin nti yesempanyimfo omo maden na no mo biara wutwa obeye no wetu usande one Mr. Crenton na ye ne kase no anogitum pefe de o wa mo tere we buda na la obonu medurewu yes obo committee suicide obo na kase batwe no kwa de fa atatofa asase do no sonya bandama na ye kwa ya na ye bai nyame pengu mayin wada ono orkanum na mo yimna mpefo ni bokwa kan hyehyɛ ehwa abrosan yan ken na kohwa abrosan oya 3 flat akubia kita 3 1 2 3 ibasa nti ken da kohwa almost 55 rooms na seni nyina babande we begu wan kahwenche ni we na onwie peye eteno ebusia ma oti obranyima no na mebere so ayebe enti yedebesi ha na yedenda sosonko yedama oye edwumoku a anepe wada won mara we somase mamada brawe mekire king of the universe the king corn or bedding materials the sell gift shop also tade na charge the man the mpa once no tete also use gas edekwe ba se no somase mamade oye center focus anepe medabra manda oye ankaben no so manda nase wedwumason edwumade sonkwa no so anepe wa bodame ne ma wo ye be na de hwe mamade busia aseda sonkonkom opa aba from kitikeku ASORBA KOFI ESSUMAN anepe momo wacho